So now let's see how we can work with line chart inside of Google Docs document. So in order to insert a line chart, I'm going to go into my Google Docs document right here and then put my cursor right here. And then I'm going to click on insert, and then I'm going to go to chart right here, and then I'm going to choose line. So once I do that, the line chart will be inserted in our Google Docs document. And we can edit it out by using image option as we would edit any other image. So I'm just going to go around right here to change the data in the link chart option and then click on open source. And it opens up the chart in Google Sheets because that is where the chart is actually generated. So I can simply go over here and change around the data right over here. So I'm just going to change this around a bit, not too much. So let's say I'm just going to say semester 1 and semester 2 right over here, just like that, to change this around a bit. And then I can go over here and then I can just type in trends or something like that. I can just go around over here as well on the options. So you can go around over here onto edit chart and then go to customize to change out the chart styles and everything else like the background color. Let's say for example, I can go around and smooth it out right here, maximize this, or work around with other options provided right here to change out the outlook of the chart. Once I'm happy with the final result, what I can simply do is I can go back onto my Google Docs document and then click on update right over here. So what that does is it updates my chart out just like that, and I have the chart reference out into Google Docs just like that. And that is how you can insert and work with line chart inside of Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.